children. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. My name is Vaishali Joshi. Welcome back to Junior KG. Today we will learn new alphabet. Capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. And sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. L for lion. Now let's do quick revision of alphabet A to alphabet K. Capital A, small a. A for apple. A for arrow. Capital B, small b. B for bun. B for bell. Capital C, small c. C for cup. C for cat. Capital D, small d. D for dog. D for dolphin. Capital E, small e. E for egg. E for eagle. Capital F, small f. F for fish. F for fruits. Capital G, small g. G for goat. G for glue. Capital H, small h. H for hand. H for hat. Capital I, small I. I for igloo. I for ink pot. Capital J, small j. J for jug. J for jacket. Now tell me children, which alphabet comes before alphabet L? Do you all remember? Yes, alphabet K. Capital K, small k. K for king. K for kite. K for kiwi. K for key. K for kingfisher. K for kettle. Now let's see some more words of alphabet L. Capital L, small l. L for lunchbox. L for lamp. L for lock. L for lemon. L for lotus. L for leaf. L for leaves. L for lion. L for lollipop. L for laptop. L for ledge. Now let's write capital L. Standing line and sleeping line. Capital L, small l, standing line. Now let's write once again. Standing line and small sleeping line. Capital L, small l, standing line. Capital L, small l. Today I will show you how to write alphabet L in English notebook. Now let's write capital L and small l in our English notebook. Today's date is 17th August 2020. Now let's start with capital L from first red line to second blue line, standing line, and small sleeping line on second blue line, and small l from red line to second blue line, standing line. Now let's write once again from red line to second blue line, standing line, and small sleeping line on second blue line. For small l from red line to second blue line, standing line. Let's write once again from red line to second blue line, standing line, small sleeping line on second blue line, and from red line to second blue line, standing line, small l. From red line to second blue line, standing line, small sleeping line on second blue line, small l from red line to second blue line. Write once again from red line to second blue line, standing line, make a small sleeping line on second blue line. For small l from red line to second blue line, standing line. Last time from red line to second blue line, standing line, small sleeping line on second blue line. For small l from red line to second blue line, standing line. Capital L, small l. In this way you have to write capital L and small l. Now let's draw pictures of alphabet L. First we will draw lamp. For lamp, make a one small sleeping line, then one slanting line, once again here slanting line. Now we will join with sleeping line. Now we will draw one more standing line, leave some space and draw one more standing line. Now we will join by small sleeping line. Now here we will draw one more standing line, here one more standing line, and joining by sleeping line. L for lamp. Now we will draw lollipop. For that, first we will draw a small circle, then one standing line, leave some space and draw one more standing line and join it. Now here we will draw one more small circle, one more circle and one more circle. Our lollipop is ready. L for lamp, L for lollipop. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Take care of yourself. हम कल फिर मिलेंगे. Bye bye.